Vyroota abadde muwa ssente. Abadde ansaba ssente za lunch, dinner, biki nga muwa talina ssente. Sometimes he calls me and be like, "Bam, in this stuff wano nyamba ko sina sente mu account yange." But if you have some money in your account, so go pay ko kama it's okay. I send him like 150, 200. Just hoping. But your money talina sente. Yeah, like just showing off to people. So what talina sente, you're just showing off to people. That is your manager even hoping. What you are going to Mina.
Mina yali bwe yakola.
Mina tumumanyi mukazi Queen Mina.
Yamugoge. Kati essanyu likuta.
Nedda. Nze mukazi namugambye. Nze Vyroota mumanyi bulungi.
Alright, yes, oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi. Nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku video eno nga woba okoze ki nga woba ojabe. Nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaza okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750312083 oba 0750312083. ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna, tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo, osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
Oli otya munna?
Gamba Sharon is Shyroota baba.
Erya Shyroota walijjo?
Yeah.
Lwaki walijjo omukwano?
Aligenda zakine TikTok.
Lwaki walisudde lirimu nange? Kuba ffe tubadde tukumanyiddeko.
Erinnya lya Kisiru.
Erya Shyroota? Lya Kisiru litya maama?
Oba nannyini we musiru.
Ani omusiru?
Nannyini wa Vyroota.
Vyroota Vyroota muki?
Musiru fala. Kati saagala kozesa erinnya lye.
Lwaki toyagala kozesa linnya? Onyiize nnyo bannange. Yakoze ki this time around? Ne Shyroota. Okay, Sharon. Kiki Vyroota ekituufu kyeyakola?
Amanyi byakoze naye sigenda bagamba amanyi kyakoze.
Wamulaba bwe yarebrandinga n'asiiga ka ina ngange kapiri mu nnyindo buli kimu jimu agikuba bupesa.
Kati omusajja akuba jimu naye omusajja akuba jimu naye why is he not having that weight? You still have customer like pregnant women and the asana wakirabye. He posted some video nga ali naked, that's why he was wearing a boxer. And what's that?
I know Lukutonga.
What is this showing to people? It's not acting a six-pack. You have the stomach like ladies. Now we wait.
Ka ina ke yasize kunjala ko wakalabye.
Nakalabye.
Okogera ko.
Yasagala news yetagala kuva ku internet. Chokola baliko lebyo.
Ate kapini kano akali sexy.
Omusira kati.
Vyroota muki?
Abasajja agala kuzira ku poliisi nange. Agala kuzira ku poliisi. Sugar mama agala kuzira ku poliisi.
Aina sugar mama.
Isi yanga magana kuzira ku poliisi nemugamba kwama.
Naye ng'asobola okusiba gwe sweetheart.
Nga ina ssente naye kyemmanyi. So nange ndimulambiza sobola kuzira ku poliisi. Kati koze. Yasi wakusajja yakakuzira ku poliisi.
Shyroota ki kyeweesiga kyogamba ky'olina nga gwe omukazi kikufuula omujjuvu?
I have my sponsor from USA. Never heard that money.
Ako sente?
I don't have any boyfriend in Uganda. I don't have a boyfriend in my life. Napo sponsor from USA. I'm passing every time.
Ospending ameka olunaku?
spend money because I don't work just. I got sometimes I move. When I move out, spending on yourself. My friends. Maybe when I go out, I can spend money like when I spend little money, I spend around 500. Little money. Because it sends me a lot of money. It sends me dollars. I go and pick from Western Union. I go and spend with my friends out. Actually, Wangekati is sponsoring me to enjoy life.
Okay. There's also Wangako, Vyroota.
The Vyroota, what I'm more saying. Abadansi abasembeza lunch dinner bichinga mwafuta ina sente. Mwa sente sometimes.
Ng'omuwanga mmeka? Gwe n'oteekayo leero?
Like I give nze mwa sente.
Gwe Shamiri gwe.
Sometimes you call me and be like, "Bam, in this stuff wano nyamba ko sina sente mu account yange." But if you have some money in your account, so go pay ko kama it's okay. I send him like 150, 200. Just okay. But your money is not sent. You're like just showing off to people. So what I not send, you're just showing off to people. That is your manager even helping.
Which manager is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Answer your manager.
Kicho inzo muganda sawe. Bali bagamba naye kifo inachogamba bali kino. Ndio mukazi nyirira nina kino.
Lwaki yagobye bundi? Ono Mina
yali bwe yabo.
Mina tumanye mukazi Mina.
Yamugobye. Kati esanyu likuta.
Aneda. Nze mukazi namugambye. Nze Vyroota mumanyi bulungi. You are not even going to take like more than 2 months if Vyroota is going to chase you. That's all. But if Vyroota chased her, she came to me, she inboxed me and was like, "Bambi Shyroota, all what you told me was true." I'm sorry, I got to WhatsApp.
Okay. No, the buto luli mu myezi katemi. Lwabaaki wafuna obuzibu mukazi
sakala kuzaala munange ndi mwana omutoki
wakoma munaye mbaoli lubuto lwa Vyroota
oyo musiri ayina kyakoze naye kale I was pregnant of him. I wanted to produce before naye kati I've realized it's even good I didn't produce. Oh, your father, I can't be with such kind of a man. So I even got him last week. But I don't know
okay, kakati munna. Chicho obadde otugamba chicho weesiga ky'olina.
Like
kirungi ng'ogyeko ssente. Kino banayinze abasajja tekibasuula eddalu.
I have everything,
nga kinaki.
Am I not black beauty? Does that help me out?
Nakyo ekirala?
Okay, I'm just perfect to me. Be perfect. I tell you, I'm better than many ladies here in Kampala. They are there out. When I sleep with men to get my nails and do one. I don't sleep with men, I am better than some. But they abuse me there on internet, on Malaya, Chia. I think the Katibian when you see me with a man, like I do content, inside color content. I can be with you today, the 2 color content, the cheap one you go. But I want to follow Zambumi, I sleep with those men with the Malaya. Why Uganda is afraid to get that brain. Okay.
Natumaliza music wali kuchika cho ina kapia.
So when I'm going outside camp, I stop music at then Sagara. And Kati, Chamina Chimanya, by the way, my visa is on process, I'm going out.
Okay. Kayanza nyumbani. Ina katalekeka? Ina katalekeka?
How?
Omazeyo?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, thank you.